part of Leech Industries' capabilities is we are a one-stop shop for a lot of different processes. So we can, inside our shop, complete your full piece or assembly. Industries has a full EDM shop that includes wire EDM, hole popping, and RAM EDM capabilities to complete complex 2 and 3D parts. This is a wire EDM. By electrically removing material, it cuts out with high precision a finished part in very hard metal, where it's easier to use an EDM to remove material as opposed to a machining center to mechanically cut the material off.